Did you know that 88% of internet users are less likely to return to a website after a bad experience? If you're running an online business, that's a big deal. So, what's one of the most important factors to deliver a smooth website experience? Your hosting solution, of course. Choosing the right one can truly make or break your online presence. Hi, this is this hosting video, and today we're diving into two popular hosting options: cloud hosting and virtual private servers. We'll break down the unique benefits of each so you can find the perfect fit for your business needs. And stick around until the end of the video for a special discount on our hosting services. First up, cloud hosting. What exactly is cloud hosting and why do so many businesses love it? Cloud hosting allows your website to run on virtual servers in a cloud environment. Cloud hosting uses a network of connected servers instead of depending on a single server like traditional hosting. This setup helps keep your site running smoothly. The real magic of cloud hosting is scalability. As your site experiences sudden traffic spikes, cloud hosting automatically adjusts resources like CPU, RAM, and storage to handle the load. And what if one server crashes? No problem. With cloud hosting, resources are replicated across all servers in the cloud, so your website stays live even if one server is busy or fails. Cloud hosting is also secure with built-in encryption and monitoring. Plus, it's cost-effective because you only pay for the resources you use. With that said, cloud hosting has a few challenges. Storing data offsite can raise privacy concerns and performance may vary. When a cloud provider has a heavy workload, it can affect the availability of resources and lead to slower performance. Managing cloud resources and switching providers can be difficult for those without technical skills. Overall, the cloud hosting is a great choice for businesses that need flexibility and global reach, but it's important to weigh the trade-offs, especially regarding privacy and performance. Well, what if you need more control over your server resources? That's where another popular hosting choice comes in, VPS, which offers a different set of benefits. If you need more control over your server without the expense of a dedicated server, VPS might be the perfect choice. So what is VPS hosting? Think of it like having your own dedicated server within a shared physical server. It's virtualized, giving you dedicated resources like CPU, RAM, and storage, but at a lower cost than a dedicated server. VPS gives you a more isolated environment than shared hosting, so your website won't have to compete for bandwidth with other websites. This leads to better performance and more customization options. With root access, you can install custom software and fine-tune the server environment to meet your specific needs. This makes VPS ideal for businesses and developers who want dedicated resources without the cost of a dedicated server. Plus, you can easily scale up as your business grows. Now let's talk about some challenges with VPS hosting. VPS scalability is more tricky and limited. Upgrading often requires migrating to a larger server, which can be inconvenient depending on the hosting provider. Additionally, VPS relies on a single physical server, so hardware failures can lead to downtime for all virtual servers on that machine. Also, managing a VPS requires some technical expertise. Without necessary skills or a team to handle server management, it could be a challenge. Overall, VPS is a great choice for those who need control, performance, and the flexibility to grow. It's often a great middle ground between shared hosting and dedicated servers. Now, let's talk about the key differences between cloud hosting and VPS hosting to see which one might be the best fit for your website or business. When it comes to scalability, cloud hosting stands out by allowing you to scale resources on demand to handle growing traffic or unexpected surges, making it highly flexible. In contrast, VPS hosting has more limited scalability, but you can add more resources or upgrade to a larger server when necessary. In terms of performance, cloud hosting delivers strong results by distributing resources across multiple servers, ensuring your site stays up and runs smoothly. VPS hosting, on the other hand, depends on a single server's hardware. However, you can improve performance by adding more resources as needed. In regards to pricing, cloud hosting can be a bit more expensive due to its on-demand pay-as-you-go billing model. VPS hosting, however, is generally more affordable with a fixed monthly fee, offering dedicated server resources at the lower cost. Cloud hosting is flexible, it offers many services and tools, and you can easily scale your resources as needed. VPS hosting, while still flexible, offers more control over the server, but comes with some limitations compared to cloud solutions. When it comes to reliability, cloud hosting is highly dependable thanks to multiple servers, backups, and automatic failover systems. VPS hosting also provides reliability, but uptime can vary depending on the provider, and additional redundancy and backup systems may be needed for extra protection. Both hosting solutions offer solid security, but cloud hosting is typically protected by multiple layers of security, including encryption and firewalls. VPS hosting also provides robust security, though additional measures may be required for the highest level of protection. Both cloud and VPS hosting come with 24/7 support and maintenance, depending on the hosting provider. However, the level of support may vary, so it's important to evaluate the service package when choosing your hosting solution. Now, let's explore specific use cases for cloud hosting and VPS hosting with real examples. VPS hosting is great for businesses that need steady resources, are on budget, or want more control over their setup. Cloud hosting works well for businesses with steady workloads or growing traffic. However, costs can add up over time, so managing resources wisely is key. Hosting tip for business. Before making a decision, evaluate your business needs, budget, and desired level of control. Thank you for watching the video until now. As a professional web hosting provider, we at VPS Hosting offer reliable virtual private servers, exceptional customer support, and ongoing quality control with robust security options. Here's your promo code for 3 months of VPS hosting. If you're unsure, take advantage of our trial period to evaluate the quality of our service. Click the link to join our customers. So, which hosting solution are you considering? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more web hosting and tech content. Bye!